about the UFO sightings in the USA. Well, UFOs, for those who don't know, in full is unidentified flying object. Many people are believing that it is drones. Many citizens of the United States of America are believing that they are drones. But then, the FBI, Pentagon, with a lot of billions or even trillions in their budget, have failed to identify. Most of the government agencies in the United States have failed to identify. You need to be aware of the international affair because we're in a global village. Like the time when coronavirus came, nobody expected it to just jump into Uganda so fast. So what's happening that side must concern everyone. Nothing is for Africa, nothing is for America, nothing is... All the crises can hit the world at any time. Let's start with what Donald Trump said about the drones.
Can you comment on the drones that are flying around New Jersey ports?
The government knows what is happening. They know where it came from and where it went. And for some reason, they don't want to comment. Something strange is going on. For some reason, they don't want to tell the people. And they should, because the people are really, I mean, they happen to be over Bedminster.
Will you shoot them down?
They're very close to Bedminster. I think maybe I won't spend the weekend in Bedminster. I've decided to cancel my trip.
Have you received an intelligence briefing on the drones?
I don't want to comment on that.
Well, that's what Trump said. He said the military knows, the government knows, so, and he's annoyed why they're not telling the people. So this is a big statement. Donald Trump, for those who follow Trump, you know very well, he likes saying things which are very controversial, like what he said right now. And then, to me, I think it is those of Donald Trump who knows very well, but they want to throw the stone on the other side of those of Joe Biden. And yeah, that's how US politics, the citizens have become too naive. And then when you take a look at something I've been digging so deep, you know, for me, whenever something comes out as content creators, the way we do our investigative is in a way that many people may despise, may look at it as something small. Is a statement which came from Elon Musk. There was a tweet on the 30th of September by Ashley Vance, said the US currently has the capacity to make about 20,000 consumer-style drones a year. China's current capacity is closer to 20,000 drones a day. And then this post was shared by Data Hazard. Data Hazard said, rest easy. At 20,000 drones per day, it would take China 50 years to make one drone for every living Americans. So they are estimating that in 50 years, it will be one drone for every living American. Then Elon Musk replied to the Data Hazard. That is where my concern comes from. The guy said, drone swarm battles are coming that will boggle the mind. His reply came in on the 30th of September 2024 at exactly 7:06 a.m. That is 7:06. He said, drone swarm battles are coming that will boggle the mind. He said they are coming. He did not say when. He did not say how. He did not say within which parties will be battling. But he said they are coming. And Trump fought so hard to make sure that Donald Trump wins the election. And now you're seeing it is starting in a joking way, like the way COVID started in a joking way. The government is afraid. They're saying they don't know. Donald Trump is saying the government knows. So, to me, I think the group of Elon Musk and the rest, they're the ones to fear. From this trip, let me know diplomatically, let's have a civic space, what you think about these drones in the comment section. And I will feature some of the comments in the coming videos. Thank you.